Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. In this video, we're going to show you how to clean a garbage disposal that smells bad. But before we begin, we're going to make sure the appliance is unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Your disposal grinds up bits of food with impellers, turning all that material into paste. While the disposal is generally good at self-cleaning, it's still possible that food debris may not make it all the way through the disposal and out the drain pipe. Leftover food matter will eventually start to rot, leading to some pretty nasty smells. Start by cleaning around the disposal opening and down inside the flange with a scrub brush and some soapy water. Some garbage disposal baffles can even be removed for easy cleaning. Remember, never stick your hand down inside the disposal. Plug the disposal back in or turn the circuit breakers back on. We need to run the disposal in the following steps. Stopper the drain and fill the sink halfway with warm soapy water. Then remove the stopper and run the disposal as the water drains. This will ensure that every single area inside will get clean soapy water on it. Next, we can use some ice and salt. Put a cup of ice along with half a cup of kosher or rock salt on the disposal. Turn on the cold water and then run the disposal until everything's been ground up. As the ice is crushed, it loosens up food debris, while the salt acts as an abrasive to scrub the impellers and sides of the disposal. For really stubborn smells, you can use the cleaning action of baking soda and vinegar. Pour half a cup of baking soda down the opening of the disposal. Then add a cup of vinegar and let it sit for 15 minutes. As the solution bubbles, it helps clean and deodorize the inside of the hopper. Before rinsing that out, stopper the sink and fill it up with warm soapy water again. Just as before, let it drain while running the disposal to rinse everything out. Once you have it clean, to help cover the vinegar odor, you can toss some lemon, lime, or orange peels down the disposal and grind them up. Let the disposal run for 5 to 10 seconds after the grinding stops. This will give the disposal a pleasant citrus scent. While using your disposal, there are some things you can do to avoid bad smells. First, make sure you read the user's guide so you know how to use the disposal properly, and always follow the manufacturer's recommendations. Make sure you're running the disposal long enough to grind up the food, and always have the water running to make sure everything goes down the drain. Avoid putting things in the disposal that may clog, jam, or damage it. That includes things like coffee grounds, eggshells, fruit pits, or larger animal bones. Stringy vegetables like celery or corn husks can get wrapped around the impeller blades and damage them. Never pour fat or grease down the disposal, as it will thicken when it cools and clog up the disposal as well as your pipes. Once you've cleaned the disposal, get into the habit of doing it on a regular basis. Avoid using harsh chemicals that could damage the disposal or drain pipes. Certain chemicals can react with the food particles and fat, hardening them and making them difficult to remove. Garbage disposals have a life expectancy of around 10 years, so if you notice that the smells are getting worse and the disposal is loud and jamming more, these could be signs that it's time for a new one. It only takes a small amount of time, but has a massive impact on your enjoyment of the kitchen. As always, if you have any more questions, we're always happy to help at AppliancePartsPros.com.